Welcome to the 8th edition of World Intellectual Property Forum. The inaugural ceremony will be starting in few minutes.
Namaskar. It is our privilege to join with World IP Forum with the theme Intellectual Property in Atmanirbhar Bharat, Innovate, Protect and Promote. As you know, NRDC is one of the leading institutions established under the Government of India to promote the innovation from mind to market, lab to land. And it is our mission and mandate to protect the indigenous innovation created by our innovator of the nation in terms of protecting intellectual property. At the same time, commercializing intellectual property. NRDC, as a public institution, we have connected many more organizations, universities, MSME, associations, startups, and also governing bodies in the country to create and protect and leverage innovation from the laboratory to the to the industries. At this challenging time of COVID-19, we has facilitated many more IP to many stakeholder, individual innovator, academician, scientists of various university and institution and R&D institution in protecting their intellectual property. And also we are trying to develop and scaling up of this technology know-how and transferring to the various industry, MSME and startup in the country. At this challenging time, we also came out with the compendium of Indian technology on COVID-19, on tracing, testing and treating of various laboratories, various institutions of the country, so that MSME industry and other stakeholder can connect, join the hand. So it is a high time for all of us to collaborate, connect, to create an ecosystem of Atmanirbhar Bharat. As our input on technology is very, very high, it is the high time how we can produce. Honorable Prime Minister of India always talked innovate, protect and prosper. And these are the three important parameters for us to achieve Atmanirbhar Bharat. So to achieve this Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have to create an ecosystem, an enabling ecosystem for the stakeholders so that they can connect and also get the opportunity of making the difference to the society. So at this challenging time, we have to create a momentum and also create an ecosystem at university level, academic levels, and also various level of in the college level to create the IP culture, IP centric ecosystem, so that the students, those who are the leader of the next generation, will able to protect and we will able to leverage and connect. So it is the high time, and I will certainly compliment the team of World IP Forum to organize this program, and many more leaders are here, and they will do their best and give the opportunity of collaboration and also create a momentum in the mindset of the people at towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat, towards Make in India, towards Startup and Stand Up India, and then only we will achieve. So our mindset and our cultural thought process towards IP centric ecosystem we need to create, because we have seen in the many infringement and copyright violation and many more IP violation in the country, so that we must respect IP, leverage IP, and collaborate for IP and bringing academia industry together. I'm certainly grateful to all of you and also team and for organizing such this event, and we are there to collaborate, and for any support you please get back to us so that we can do our best and achieve the 5 trillion economy that's Honorable Prime Minister of India has a dream for the nation, and to create a momentum of Atmanirbhar Bharat for our mother India. Thank you all of you. God bless you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.